Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best size 5 kids snow boots you can get right now. The GUBARUN Boys Snow Boots Winter Waterproof Slip-Resistant Cold Weather Shoes. These boots are a top pick for parents looking for durability, warmth, and convenience all in one. These GUBARUN snow boots are designed specifically for cold weather adventures. Whether your child is playing in the backyard, heading to school on a snowy morning, or out on a winter hike with the family, these boots are built to handle it. They're available in a range of sizes including size 5 Big Kid, and they strike a perfect balance between protection and comfort. One of the standout features is the outer material. The boots are crafted from 100% synthetic fabric, while the sole is made of durable rubber. This combination makes them not only lightweight but also tough enough to withstand rugged outdoor use. And yes, they are waterproof. The water-resistant textile keeps feet warm and dry even in deep snow, a huge bonus for kids who love jumping into snowbanks or sledding down hills. Inside, the warm liner offers a soft and cozy feel. It's lined with high-quality faux fur, which helps trap heat and keep those tiny toes warm all day long. Your child won't complain about cold feet, even after hours of outdoor play. The boots are engineered to lock in warmth without making the feet feel stuffy or sweaty, a feature that sets them apart from bulkier alternatives. Now, let's talk about one of the most parent-friendly features, the ease of use. The hook and loop side opening makes putting these boots on and taking them off a breeze. It's a game changer, especially when you're dealing with younger children who might struggle with standard pull-on boots. This design allows kids to be more independent and get ready faster, which means less hassle when you're rushing out the door. Safety is another area where these boots perform well. The non-slip rubber outsole is textured to provide excellent grip on icy sidewalks and slippery playgrounds. That added traction can make a real difference in preventing slips and falls, giving both you and your child peace of mind. In terms of style, GUBARUN doesn't disappoint. The boots are sleek and modern, available in classic colors like black, gray, and pinkish purple. They actually resemble snowboarding boots, giving kids the cool factor while still being practical. Whether they're paired with snow pants or jeans, these boots fit right in without looking clunky or outdated. GUBARUN as a brand has been around since 2001, focusing on footwear technology and craftsmanship. They've honed their designs for over 2 decades, and it shows in the quality and thoughtfulness behind these snow boots. So, to sum it up, the GUBARUN Boys Snow Boots in size 5 are an excellent choice for any child facing a winter full of snow, slush, and adventure. They're waterproof, warm, easy to wear, and stylish, everything you'd want in a snow boot. If you're in the market for reliable footwear that keeps your kids safe and comfortable, this pair definitely earns its title as the best size 5 kids snow boots out there. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or experiences with GUBARUN boots in the comments below. See you in the next one.